Major crime investigators are combing a section of Paisley Gardens, Portland for clues following the death of Member of Parliament for Portland Eastern Dr. Lynvale Bloomfield. His body was found this morning with stab wounds and the weapon used was found in the house. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
A crowd converging, kept at a distance by the familiar yellow tape drawn at a crime scene. They were there as news filtered through that the body of Portland Eastern MP, Dr. Lynvale Bloomfield, was found with stab wounds at his home in Paisley Gardens, Portland, minutes after 10 Saturday morning. TVJ News understands that Dr. Bloomfield's helper showed up for work and found the body in a corner of the bathroom. We were told the helper alerted the gardener and the neighbors, who called the police. A blood-stained blunt instrument was also found. According to police source, it appears there was a struggle between the attacker or attackers and Dr. Bloomfield. Friends and colleagues of Dr. Bloomfield are in shock and disbelief at the manner of his death.
Terrible, terrible, for more than one reason. As a member of Parliament and representing the country, to have somebody kill a member of Parliament is something that we hardly have in this country. I don't know if we ever had it in recent history. It's bad for the parish, it's bad for the constituency, but more so it is really sad to lose anybody like that, and more so our member of Parliament.
Counsel for the Port Antonio Division, Dexter Rowland, says he last spoke to Dr. Bloomfield Friday morning.
I was trying to call him back last night. Maybe about 8:45. Called him about 3 times and didn't get him. This morning about 7 o'clock, started to call him about 3 or 4 times. I didn't get him. And when I was coming from Shortford this morning, I looked up at his surgery and didn't see his van there. So I was wondering and said, where Doc gone to? Then a little bit further down the road, I got a call that he was murdered.
Everybody will know Dr. Bloomfield. Remove politics, remove everything else. He's a calm person that is... There's nobody that see Dr. Bloomfield that wouldn't like him, naturally just seeing him like that. Mm-hmm. And he's that type of person. Okay. So as a human being, I think he's a great human being. And this is something that I want the police to leave no stone unturned to find the perpetrator.
Meanwhile, head of the Area 2 Police Headquarters, Assistant Commissioner Albert Nelson, said the Major Investigation Division will lead the probe. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.